In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put images next to each other in Card. This simple guide will help you organize images on your card page efficiently, making your design visually appealing and well-structured. Let's dive right in. To begin with, head over to your card dashboard. When you're set, you'll want to bring up the option to add a new element. Look for a small plus icon, usually located in the editing toolbar. Clicking on this will prompt you with a variety of elements you can add to your page. Next, choose the Container option from the list. Containers are useful for grouping several elements together, making it possible to adjust their layout as a single unit. Once you've added a container, it's time to decide how you want to organize your images within it. In the container settings, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Types. Click on this menu and select Columns. This choice allows you to arrange elements side by side, exactly what you need to place images next to each other. After setting your container to columns, you can adjust the sizes of these columns to fit your specific needs. Do you want more room for some images? Or perhaps you're looking for symmetry? Feel free to resize until you're satisfied with the arrangement. And remember, if you need more spaces for your images, you can always add additional columns. Once you're pleased with the number of columns and their sizes, it's time to start adding your images. Go back to the plus icon to add another element, this time choosing Image from the list. Here's where you can decide how many images you want to place within your container. If you need more images than initially added, simply hit the Add button again. This will duplicate the image element, allowing you to place multiple images side by side. Now, with the images added, you can drag them into position within the container columns. This step is flexible. You can arrange them precisely where you envision them on the page. Once your images are in their desired places, click on Upload to add the actual image files. Card will offer you options to adjust image cropping and zoom. Take advantage of these tools to ensure each image displays correctly and complements the overall design. Finally, after perfecting the placement and sizes, click Accept to confirm your adjustments. And there you have it, a neatly organized row of images on your card page. With these straightforward steps, you can create engaging layouts that harness the power of visual storytelling. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in crafting beautifully arranged image layouts on card. Have fun designing.